Hi all, this is Bala Shamla from Akshavi Trends, exclusive fashion jewelry. So in this video, I'm going to show you all variety of matte gold bangle collections, budget friendly. And this video is completely of 2/6 size. Only 2/6 size I'll be showing you. This is a matte gold with floral design, two color gemstone, that is pink and green color. This is for 500 rupees. 500 you will get pink color and green color gemstone, synthetic gemstone with floral design, no god and no animals, only simple and plain ones. This is a tube pattern. This is on 2/6 size. 500 matte gold. It's very pretty. You can mix along with any thread bangles or glass bangles, anything. It will be very pretty. Next one is similar pattern, 650 floral design with synthetic gemstones. You will get it for 650 rupees. 650 you will get. This is also a floral design. This is also 2/6 size. 2/6 size you will get it. Nice floral design bangle with green and pink color gemstones. So this both the bangles does not have any animals or god. These are the floral designs. This is 500. This is 650. So next one, very beautiful. You all were asking for so many days. The leaf pattern with gold polish. Gold polish with leaf pattern, AD stones and ruby and emerald stones. 990. This is a gold polish. This is not matte gold. This is a gold polish. This is a creeper design with leaves. Each leaves has nice AD stone outline. Center you will get ruby and emerald stones. This is for 990 rupees. We have got 2/6 size. 2/6 size. Very pretty and elegant pieces. You will get it. 2/6 leaf design with ruby and emerald, complete gold polish. Gold polish. You can see spiral design la fullave leaves irukku, gold polish la. This is 2/6 size. 990 and the light mattum off panunga. 990. I will just show one more time, very close up. You can see very pretty. Very pretty. You can see nice AD stones all over. These are 2/6 size bangles. 2/6 size bangles. You can book in the customer care 7339588688. Next, with very beautiful swan, ruby stones and AD stones, oval shape you will get it with Lakshmi and swan. Lakshmi and swan. This is also 2/6 size. 850 rupees. 850 rupees. You will get beautiful kada type Lakshmi with lotus matte gold jewelry. You will get two swans on the sides with American diamond stones, and you will get oval shape ruby stones, and it's designed with two AD stones. This is also 2/6 size. This is for 850 rupees. 850. These are very pretty. You can wear only single bangles like this for any occasions. It will give more prettiness, because always ruby is very nice. You can match with any color sarees, any color salwars, for any color parties you can wear it. Very pretty. You can see this Lakshmi also studded with American diamond stones, AD stones. You can see AD stones over here in Lakshmi. Even in the swan it is designed with an AD stone. This is also 2/6 size. 850 rupees. So in this video, complete 2/6 size only I am showing. This is something fancy, eye shape stone. 450 rupees. This is 450. You will get nice eye-shaped stone, that is synthetic gemstone, pink and green color gemstone with big AD stones. Big AD stones. This is for 450 rupees. This is a gold polish. Gold polish. Gold polish. Very pretty. You will get eye-shaped stone. You can see a leaf pattern, like leaf design they have done. Pink and green combination. Very pretty. This also you can wear two bangles in each hands. It will be very pretty. 2/6 size. 2/6 size, 450, budget friendly. We have got multiple pieces in all the sets. Approximately 2 to 3 sets in each sizes we have. This is very nice. You can wear for any dress, any costume, even with kurtis you can match. See, for this dress also it match very well. Pink and green combination will go for all the costumes. 450. Again with Tilagam shaped gemstone. This is a new launch with Ganapati. Ganapati, you will get Ganapati with Tilagam shaped stone, 600. 600. This you will get Ganesha, very nice, engraved in 3D finish. You will get it. Very nice Tilagam shaped stone. These are very pretty single bangles you can wear in both the hands. It will be very pretty and beautiful. See. Next bangles, you will get it 4 bangles, 2/6 size, matte gold finish with gemstones, 550. 550 rupees. You will get with the 4 bangles. 4 bangles. You can match with in middle you can match any thread bangles or glass bangles, any bangles or your gold bangles. It will be very pretty. This is also without god and animals. You can get it. 550. You will get nice spiral design, cone shape with circle gemstones. 2/6 size, 550. 4 bangles. And another one is with AD stones. AD stones and ruby stones. Cubic cut square. 4 stones will be in white. Single stone in ruby. You will get it for 650. This is also 2/6 size. 2/6 size. 2/6. This is also 2/6. You will get it with cubic cut. Nice pink color stone. And this is a small stones in white color. You will get in a square shape. Pink single stone in a square shape. 650 pair. 650 pair. 2/6 size. 2/6 size. இது எல்லாமே வந்து உங்களுக்கு கல்வளையல் கோல்டு பாலிஷ்ல கொடுத்துருக்கோம். These are a gold polish. AD stones gold polish. Only one piece available in this. You can book it. Only one single piece is there. அக்கா இதில் இல்லை தானே இன்னொன்று? Only single is there. You can book it. Single pair is there. This is with green color and pink color ruby emerald stone irukku ungalku. Very nice. 2 lines of ruby and emerald stone. This is for 690. 690. Multiple pieces available. Thanks auntie. Multiple pieces available. Multiple pieces available. Very pretty, very unique. Always I'll tell, ruby and emeralds ஒரே ஒரு bangles இருந்தா போதும். We can match with all our costumes very well. It will be also very beautiful. This is for 690. 690 rupees. 690. All 0 size stone. Very beautiful and pretty. விட்டுருங்களா அப்புறம் எடுத்து வச்சுக்கலாம். கவர் சவுண்டு கேட்குது எனக்கு. This is 690 pair. We have got multiple pieces. I will just keep and show you. See, pink and green stone. இது வந்து சொல்வாங்கல்ல அந்த ரூபி எமரல்ட் ஸ்டோன்னு சொல்வாங்க. நீங்கள் கோல்டில் இந்த செட் வச்சுருந்தா இந்த பேங்கிள்ஸ் மேட்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 2/6 size available. 690 690 rupees for all your bookings. 7339588688. Take a screenshot and you can book it. Okay. Last bangle, this is an gold polish again, only 650. It's very nice, like solitaire diamonds மாதிரியே கொடுத்திருக்கோம். இதுல வந்து ஸ்கொயர்ல white இருக்கும். Tube bangles வந்து கொடுத்திருக்கோம். This is also 650. 26 available. Only one pair is there. You can book it. ஒரே ஒரு pair தான் இருக்கு, புக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இது ரொம்ப சூப்பராக இருக்கும். நம்ம லைக் இண்டோ வெஸ்டர்ன், ஈவன் நீங்கள் ஒரு ஜீன்ஸ் போட்டுட்டு சிங்கிள் பேங்கிள் போட்டால் கூட அவ்வளோ பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். அண்ட் பட்ஜெட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி கோல்ட் பாலிஷ் 650. 26 அவைலபிள். நீங்கள் சிங்கிள் பேங்கிள்ஸ் யூ கேன் வேர் இட் இன் ஈச் ஹேண்ட். இட் லுக்ஸ் வெரி வெரி ப்ரிட்டி. யூ கேன் மேட்ச் வித் எனி ட்ரெஸ்ஸஸ். இது வந்து யூ கேன் மேட்ச் வித் ஜீன்ஸ், யூ கேன் மேட்ச் வித் சாரி, சல்வார் அண்ட் ஆல். ஒன்லி 650. 26 சைஸ். whiteல gold polish. Very beautiful piece, very beautiful and elegant piece. 650 gold polish. So இன்னைக்கு இத்தனை bangles காட்டியிருக்கோம் இன்னைக்கு ஷோல. all 26 size. For all your bookings 7339588688. Follow our page for all the latest updates. நாங்கள் போடுற பிக்ஸையே நீங்கள் எடுத்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் வேணுமோ you can start shopping with us. So keep shopping with Akshavi Trends. For all the products you can contact us. So bye bye, see you, good night. We'll meet you in one more live Monday.